This is the last weight of what? 15 to 19 what? Gram, right? 3 centimeters. Do you understand? And contains about 900 watts. The testis is actually covered by vasculosa, right? The tunica what? Albuginea and the tunica vaginalis. Are you there? The tunica vasculosa is actually an epithelial tissue that is highly vascularized. Are you there? It is the first covering layer, and then we also have the what? We have the what? The serous layer and what? The parietal layer is actually a soft what layer. The parietal layer is actually layer is made up of mesothelial what? Cells or epithelium. Are you there? It is made of what? Mesothelial epithelium, right? That lines the what? The tunica hormones. The parietal layer, right? Yeah, externally. Of course, the skin. Good. The tunica vasculosa and the tunica vaginalis actually covers the anterior and the lateral surface of the what? Of the testis, leaving the posterior what? Surface. Right? But the posterior surface is not uncovered. It is covered by what? The tunica what? Albuginea. Are you there? Are you there? So pyramidal what? Lobus. Are you there? They form pyramidal what? Lobus. Two of us. Are you there? And then, of course, the apex of the lobus lies towards what? The mediastinum. Whereas the base, and of course, like I told you, the seminiferous tubules are what? Highly convoluted. They are distorted in a way. Are you there? And they don't have about 2 to 3 what? Axes. Right? Are you there? Like I told you, the septum coming from the mediastinum does not completely what? Cover what? Does not completely form. Are you there? It doesn't form a complete what? Structure. Rather, it has what we call what? It enables the lobus to form what we call anastomosis. Are you there? Why? Because it does not completely cover it. You understand? Now, listen. What I mean is that as the but they unite with a tubule that is called what? The straight what? Tubule. Like interconnected what? Meshwork of tubules that is found around the form what? The head of the epididymis. And the dog going down to the. Are you there? So this point is known as the cave of the epididymis. Is it difficult to understand? When sperm is produced by what? We know the testis. Which part of the testis? It is produced by what? The seminiferous what? Tubules. Yeah. Ferrous what? Tubules. And then stored where? The vast difference, not efference. Ducts. Ejaculatory what? Ducts. You form what? Ejaculatory what? Ducts. Which enters the prostate. So this is what? Our internal what? Internal urethra. Is it not so? Right? Urethra, right? And the ducts from right? And ducts of the what? The prostate, which we call it the prostatic what? Ducts. We'll compare. So the internal urethra and the ejaculatory ducts will eventually unite to form prostatic what? Urethra. Right? This if I okay, let me talk about it. Gland. Are you there? There are some other glands. There are some other glands that have been found in the what? External what? Urethra. Other smaller glands that lines the what? The surface urethra. This structure here, right? Is the external what? Urethra. Do you understand? Now, those smaller glands are called what? Glands of what? Beta. They are called what? Glands of beta. Are you there? Tubules, which is coming from the seminiferous what? Tubules. Are you there? So now the vast difference terminates as what? The ampular ejaculatory what? Ducts. Are you there? The ejaculatory ducts, right, unite with the called what? The right? Then I said that the external urethra, we call it the what? But you short to this gland, there are smaller glands that line what? The surface, the internal surface of what? The urethra, which we call what? We call them the glands of what? Beta. Are you there? They are implicated in what we call lubrication. Are you there? As the lecture progresses, I will teach you lubrication, emission, and that is the male sexual act. During the male sexual act, during sexual intercourse, or before sexual intercourse, you observe that there are some small secretions, right? That used to come out from the penis. You know it, right? Don't act as if you don't know it. During or when somebody is stimulated, do you understand? You see some small secretions, right? They call it precum, right? I don't. Do you understand? You know that thing that looks they call precum, right? That comes out from the what do you call it in Igbo? You guys in Igbo, you call it amu. So those secretions actually come out from the glands of what? Beta. Are you there? They come from the glands of beta and also from the bulbourethral gland. Are you there? But then they don't actually lubricate the vagina. Right? Then, in a way, they bring about lubrication, right? But they only lubricate the glans penis and the prepuce. You know, this is our glans penis. This is the glans penis. Glans penis. Right? They only lubricate this area, but not the vagina. The vagina has a way of lubricating itself. Are you there? Are you there? Alright, so that is that. Now, we have talked about this structure. We have talked about the covering of the testes, which are what? The tunica what? Vasculosa.